You guys want me to unbox the Atlas 3.0? Okay. Just kidding, guys. What's going on? Chaseontwowheels here, and ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. These things were supposed to release in late March. It is now June 15th. Got home from work last night. These were sitting in my garage door, so I said to myself, the fam needs to know what these things are about. So I brought my big boy knife, and today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be unboxing the Atlas 3.0 Savage and the Atlas 3.0 Liquid Carbon. I got them both in medium, because that's how big my brain is. Boom. Also, can we all just note real quick, on the top, both these boxes together are 6.6 kilograms. Okay. 1, 2. And yes, if you're watching this video and you're like, this privileged mother effer, he gets his helmets. I do, and that's so you can get this video. I do know I'm privileged though. Okay, I think we have to start with the liquid carbon, right? Because who doesn't start with carbon? By the way, hey guys, Chaseontwowheels here. If you enjoy motorcycle content, make sure to subscribe and like this video because I love you. Oh, I have missed this view. Oh, I have been ready for these. Okay. Here's the box. Now, I made a list on the stuff that I wanted to see upgraded in the 3.0, and this is what we're gonna be looking for. Supposedly, there's a demist crack. The visor covers have been removed. There's a brand new liner, like an inside liner. That's probably my biggest thing I'm looking for. There's an upgraded seal around the visor. There's a new locking mechanism for the visor. The weight is still stupidly small. Those are the main deals. All right, how do you even open this? By the tab. That looks pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Bro, this is so, I don't know what this unboxing experience is like. Okay, so our top little secret compartment, we get decals. The dudes are gonna love those. And what is this? Bro, this is the book. Look how Atlas 3.0 with the like gloss black on matte black. Bro, the fact that that fits in right there is so cool. Okay, so this, we'll put this over here. This comes up. Here we go, fam. A visor. Another visor? We get visors on visors? We get pin lock. And here we go. Oh my God, this thing is so light. We're gonna put the box away over here for a moment. This feels like nothing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, liquid carbon Atlas actually, you know what? I have a thing for this. All right, gotta have my helmet pad. Thank you, Cardo. Okay. Oh, I suck at this part so much. Not today, boys. Not to. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bro. Oh wow. Look at that. Holy crap. First thing I notice are the visor area and how slick it looks. I love the way that looks. And that's just with a clear visor. Hold on. We need to find out if I got an orange visor real quick. Because if I got an orange visor, bro, I got a new First Ride helmet and that black. Okay, comes with a black visor. So what is this visor? What? Is this a silver one? That audio is gonna be terrible. Bro, oh my God, I don't even know if you guys can see it. Hold on. This is just like a straight mirrored visor. That is going to look so sick. Can you? Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna be very careful with this because we don't want this one to get messed up. It's going back in the safety box. Liquid carbon looks so freaking good, guys. Let's be honest, we all know the reason for these helmets. Look at the material. That's awesome. Holy crap. Hell yes. Okay, hold on. We all know, if you guys have had Rurocs or you know are wanting these, I think we all know we're looking for the liner on the inside. That has been the one thing that people say the Ruroc's price does not match the liner that it has. So let's try it on. Actually, where's my old one? Or my current one, I should say. One second. Okay, so here's a good example. Also, sorry about the hair, you know, that's why we wear hats here. This is a perfect example. Atlas 2.0 carbon, Atlas 3.0 liquid carbon. That's your differences there. Liquid carbon be looking fire. So before I try this one on, I want to try on my tried and true. This is my first ride helmet, the one I wear on all my videos. Okay, this is what I'm used to. I honestly think the liner feels fine in the Atlas 2.0, but I do realize that more expensive brands do feel nicer. So I'm very interested. Super freaking light. Okay, let's try this thing on. Let's see what it's about. I gotta say, it feels so cool to wear a Ruroc when I don't have all my junk on it, because you get to appreciate how light this helmet is. Okay, so this is a medium. This fits me really well. As you guys can see, it doesn't have a lot of movement when it's on, which is good because the padding will wear in a little bit, so this will become a little looser. This feels so good right now, though. I don't know what head shape I have, but this fits my head shape super well. I can see this hand now, and I can see this hand now. That's my peripheral. Hold on, let me do it from the side so you guys can get it. I can see this hand now. You can see so much. I can just barely see the top brim right here. That field of view is incredible. This liner feels really nice too. Oh, Bo's here. Bo, look what I got. Okay, so the liner feels so nice. You guys can probably tell from here, I mean, I don't know what nice material is, honestly, but if we look at this from the top down, hopefully you guys can see both of these. Look at this material, and then look at this material. Granted, I've been wearing this one a lot. Like, I ride in this every day. Just from these two, they look entirely, oh, there's even a Ruroc logo. Don't worry, we'll do a montage afterwards. I do want to bring up, a showy helmet because everybody always, you know, judges Ruroc to showy, but if I'm looking at the material, bro, they both look super high quality. Like, we are getting into that realm now where Ruroc gear is like, they're brand new. We're working up to what like the inevitable awesome helmet is going to be. Come look at this material, dude. So this is Atlas 2.0. This is showy. This is Atlas 3.0.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
I'm here for it, dude. Also, I just want you, because you'll probably respond the same way. This is a showy X14. A very good helmet in its own right. I want you to hold this helmet. Just live with that for a second. Hold it with two hands so you get the whole girth of it. Okay, now put it down and pick up that Atlas 3.0. Is it not gross how light it is? So supposedly this has been changed too, the little visor lock.
Yeah. Good, because I lost mine.
Woo!
Because it's twisting.
Oh, that's fancy. Check that out. Now when it's hot as hell outside, you can be like, oh man, I need some visor air stuff. Boom, done. We mess with Ruroc helmets a lot, so you guys might not be as familiar. If you notice here, there's this plate on top of the visor. You guys can see it right here. It just pops on top. So I guess that caused a lot of whistling or something. So now that's why this visor has fully openness now, but I would have done this for the look. I like the plate, especially because, oh, bro, check this out. So for this guy,
Oh!
Okay, that's the liquid carbon, but there were 2 boxes, and this, I realize I'm gonna sound real. Y'all are gonna get upset with me. Here, we'll let Bo unbox the Savage. So this is gonna be my first ride helmet, but I don't want to be riding around my first ride helmet all the time. So I got a Savage as well. I'm gonna stand close to you so I can get audio. I want you to experience the unboxing experience now. See, I share. I'm sharing my experience with you.
Just waiting on my jacket and the brute.
Ooh. Here, I'll hold it for you. Ooh,
Oh, toy. It should say re-engineered. Okay. Okay. All right.
You're gonna love that.
Stickers? Are these all stickers?
I'm not saying anything. Oh wait, is this the orange one?
It
It is, yes! Wait, do they send pin locks with all of them, or is it just...
That is the best thing about, well, they have for us. I don't know if that's a thing they normally do.
Yeah, I don't, if they send pin locks with every helmet, it's like, bro, y'all need to stop doing that. Y'all need to sell these things.
This is one of my favorite things about Ruroc. And the reason that even though the 2.0 is uncomfortable, I still wear it when I'm not doing stuff with us.
Bo, the thing I was telling you guys earlier about, I'm not sure what my head shape is. Bo is an example of someone whose head shape doesn't fit the Atlas 2.0. Hey, we're gonna have a live show, hopefully with a Ruroc guy on Thursday, so. Wow, that lives there now. Bro. Holy mother of God.
That looks a lot more orange. Like, it's got that weird
It's
pearl.
iridescent type, yeah. That has a very different look than I've seen. That is awesome. All right, so guys, what I want to do, because you guys saw my first start helmet, I like having that the orange on the liquid carbon. So we're gonna do. Oh my goodness me! Put that thing on. Woo!
Not true.
Bruh. I will say this process is a little easier. Getting these on. I'm gonna let you do it. You did it fine. I'm gonna sit over here and drink my coffee. Hey! This helmet, the Savage, is going to be my ride to work and back, I'm not filming helmet, and then this is going to be my filming helmet. First impressions, these things look sick. Build quality seems to be higher than previous models, which is awesome. Inside liner feels night and day different. I mean, it is night and day different. Oh, they even got Velcro in there for the mic port.
Finally.
Let's cut to montage of these 2 helmets. These are so sick. They have included everything I personally asked Ruroc to include in their next helmet. It is so nice having a company that actually listens to you and makes the modifications they made. Would you argue that this helmet feels an entirely level different premium than the Atlas 2.0? So you gonna try it on? You gonna do the head test? All right. You're not gonna know the head test because it's gonna take time.
No, it's an immediate.
It's an immediate? Oh, okay. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Drum roll. I can't do a drum roll. It's gonna be tight, this is brand new, but.
That already feels more comfortable.
More comfortable for you?
Yeah.
What about the material feel?
Oh, the material is like.
It's just, it's
Night-
understood, yeah.
Night and day, yeah.
Bro, the teeth look savage. Oh, you look badass though! Oh shit! The mirror's the way to go with that. Oh my gosh. This is a pretty big deal then, because Bo can wear an Atlas 2.0. You would just birth out of the savage. Okay, we're gonna wrap up because we're trying to get this video out quick, guys. Objectively, these things are that. Ruroc ate the mushroom, and now they're the better helmet now. If you guys give us like a week to 2 weeks, we'll put out a review. We're not gonna put a review out 2 days after we ride a helmet because that's not a review, that's a first impressions. Give us a couple weeks, we'll ride around, Bo will use every sticker, and I'll let you guys know. I mean, I'll be riding in it every day, you know, for about a week and a half. And we'll do a review in a couple weeks and we'll let you guys know. But first impressions wise, this stuff's a whole nother level, which is awesome. And that's why we like working at Ruroc, because they actually listen to the stuff we ask them to work on. So thank you, Ruroc, for sending the helmets out. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see that review, make sure to hit subscribe down below. That way that and the notification bell, so that way you guys won't miss any of the uploads. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. If you guys want to check out the helmets, we'll have links down below. And I want to see what I look like wearing that with my fancy Engine Hawk jacket. One second. Oh, hold on. I gotta be one of those Ruroc guys where, you know, in all of their ad things, they're all like this. Okay, we will see you guys on the review or the next video that we put out. And we put out a lot of stuff, so who knows what that's gonna be. Later. Oh wait, hold on.